What is happening, everyone? So in this video I'm really excited. I have finally got all my parts back, all my front end back from paint, and today I'm going to be basically installing them. I'll show you what I'm going to be installing today basically. So first, the field fenders, or the rep ones, painted white, obviously. Jay's front lip finished, painted white, looking nice. Probably not going to install those air ducts, I'll show you why. And then of course the front bumper. Damn son, got the chrome, got all the grill inserts as well. Oh, there we go. I already had all the license plate and the badges. I didn't want to do it on video. I thought it would be a little bit too tedious, but today hopefully I get my whole front end in and it won't look like poop. Also going to be installing some extra fender liners my friend gave to me. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully I remember everything. And nothing, cross my fingers, nothing stupid's gonna happen. So I ain't started my car for like a month because it's just been sitting and I have to move it. So cold start, I guess, even though it's hot as shit today. Yep, still sounds good. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is probably tape up all the corners of the car because I don't want to mess up any of the paint. Yeah, tape up the corners with painter's tape and so everything doesn't get damaged. Time lapse. Chris Vic style. Anyway, some of you might be wondering why I'll be wearing gloves. It's because I don't want to get the car scratched up and oily, duh, stupid. Ooh, alright, before I put the field fenders on. I actually forgot I took off the vents, I gotta put them back on. Same with the other side, so. Alright, now this is how you basically put on the vents. Zoom into that hole. Yeah. Oh my god. Ooh. That looks sick. Alright, let's start installing these. So, really the only tool I used was this 10 mils and extension. And I took the whole front end apart. One thing I'm really worried about though is hopefully the paint match is pretty neat. But here we go. Don't worry, I can re-3M. That actually looks pretty tight. Gotta re-3M the side skirts. Alright. Oh man, the whites look so different on camera. I think it's because my car is dirty, but alright, I'll get back to y'all when I put these fenders on. Alright, got the first one like semi on. And I have to say not too shabby. Boom, baby. Oh man, I hope to God that my car is just dirty compared to the new white. Good lord. That's nice. Alright, next I'm gonna try to fit the headlight. I remember when I was installing it initially, I actually had some issues, but where did I put my 10? It should be fine. Oh boy. It sucks when you're working by yourself, man. You don't have a hand. I need to buy some freaking power tools, man. This sucks. Alright, progress update. Got the headlight to fit in. It's a lot better than I had it before. And I went ahead and installed the second fender. It's looking mint. Can't wait for the finished product. It's looking really nice so far. This side is a little bit harder to put on. I don't know if it's because of the mold or something, but I would say save money and buy the real ones, but real feel fenders cost like 2K. I got these for a good price. So it is what it is. Look at that shit. God damn. Wheel fitment gang. I might lower it a little bit more. Nah, I like driving. Statics for losers. Alright, second fender and second headlight is finally on. A lot quicker than the first one, thank God. But yeah, time for the front bumper, and I feel like I'm gonna run into a lot more issues now, so let's see how it goes. Fail. All right, now that the bumper is on, I'm gonna try to secure it on the side, and these, oh, focus. Come on, bruh. Well, they have the tabs that are not ripped off, so I'm gonna try to do it legitly, and then I'll be done. And after that's the lip. Sweet. Front bumper is finally on. Oh my God. It feels a very long time since I've seen my car like complete. Let's close the hood. Okay, I'm going back to a white hood for sure. But other than that, that's the feels, fenders, and front bumper installed. Probably do the J's lip another time. Kind of tired, took all day to do this, but yeah, she's finally back, thank God. This is gonna end today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. God damn it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions in the comments you want to ask, I'll be sure to answer them as fast as I can. Other than that, thank you for watching. Peace.